Good morning, guys. People keep asking me what's the best way to find an apartment. Well, first you're going to have to put up with a hotel for a few days in the city or wherever it is you want to be, and then you do some legwork, because in the Philippines it's very easy to find somewhere to stay, with different prices, of course. Now, so anyway, here we go. Look, room and bed space, another one there, there's another one down here. This is just one street. It's every street you go up there's going to be somewhere to stay. Now if you want something reasonable, and in reasonable I don't just mean money, but I mean reasonably clean and, you know, livable, then you're going to be paying 6,500 upwards. It all depends what you want at the end of the day. No vacancies there, look. It all depends what you want at the end of the day. And if you're not in too much of a rush and you've got a few days to look around, you'll find something. It's damn easy to find something here, in Naga anyway. But finding something at your price range, like if you've got a higher price range, that's a bit more difficult, because it's a lot of these accommodations are normally pointed lower end of the market, because Filipinos can't afford, and it's normally girls, and that's why they've got women only, because it's a group of girls living in not a very big space, and the rent's like 6,000 a month and they share it between them. I'm going to show you an apartment I've found, and they've kindly let me have a look round. So in this apartment block there's about 9 apartments. There's 10, but the owner lives in the 10th, and they've opened this one at the top for me. So you can see there's a balcony. There's not much air coming through here, and it's pretty hot. But they're all pretty much the same, although there's some on this apartment block. There's some at 10,000 and 6,500, and this is the 6,500. Now this is the typical kind of room you're gonna find at 6,000, 6,500. Very basic. You've got a wardrobe, a bed. You don't normally get a fan, so that's new, and definitely not a table. That is new. So you've got a sink and cupboards at the bottom, storage space. And unusually, this is like, got 2 bathrooms. This is probably like a washroom, I guess. I don't know. But you've got your toilet and shower in here, and then a bucket under a tap in there, which I would have thought the bucket should be in here. What do I know? But this, for me, is alright at 6,500. You'll have to tell me what you think. But it's got aircon, and it's got a free fan. Which again, that fan's unusual. Don't expect that, because normally you come in here, it'll either be, unless it doesn't have an aircon, then they'll provide a fan or fans. But if it's got an aircon, usually you don't have a fan. So this, I don't know what this is about. And usually you wouldn't have a mattress, so this is new as well. So normally you just have a plain bed. Normally they'll lend you a mattress, by the way, if you haven't got a mattress. If you're only here for like 4 weeks or something, they'll lend you a mattress, and probably a fan if you ask. Although they might want a bit more money, because you know what it's like here. So you've got plenty of cupboard space. You'll have a bed, and you know, a sink and some other cupboard space, wardrobe space I should have said there. And that's about it. This is what you get for around 6,500. So let me know what you think, guys. When you work it out, it's, you know, 1,500 a week. That's not a lot, considering what you'd pay in a hotel. In some hotels, you'll be paying, what, depending on how good the hotel is, from about 1,500 up. There is cheaper ones, like there is in Naga for 700 a night, but the rooms leave a lot to be desired. So that's it. You've got a bit of a balcony to sit out on, get a little table and a chair, get your cold red horse at night, and just sit and relax. But what you've got to bear in mind though is normally you'll have families with kids here, so you'll get kids crying and laughing and a bit of noise sometimes, so you have to take that into account. So tell me what you think, and I'll see you on the next video. So don't forget to subscribe, please subscribe, and hit that like or dislike button, it doesn't matter which, as long as you're hitting them. And thanks to all our patrons, thank you, and we'll see you next time.